Power off the printer. Carefully peel off the blackout sticker to avoid leaving adhesive residue on the printer. If adhesive residue remains, clean it thoroughly with a lint-free cloth and alcohol. Remove the front cover mounting screws. Remove the front cover carefully to avoid damage the internal cables. Release the LCD cable latch. Lift the ribbon cable slightly before pulling it out. Remove the LCD retaining bracket. Remove the LCD screen. Before installation, ensure the mounting area is clean and free of contamination. Remove the protective film from the new LCD screen. Ensure the LCD screen is installed with the correct orientation. Ensure the ribbon cable is connected in the correct orientation. Place a sheet of A4 paper over the LCD screen. Power on for testing. Navigate to Settings Cleaning. Tap OK. Stop screen exposure. Power off the printer. Install the LCD retaining bracket. Install the front cover. Route the internal cables neatly to avoid damage during installation. Install the front cover mounting screws. New blackout sticker. Position the wider long edge toward the front of the printer. Align the inner edge of the blackout sticker with the edge of the tempered glass protector. Press the blackout sticker firmly into place to prevent resin leakage.